Good morning, this is Fiorella Sonia from AnyHouseCleaning.com, and today how we're gonna clean the roof of the pop-up camper. We're gonna use SEP, mold stain and mildew remover, a sponge, a brush, a bucket with a little bit of Dawn detergent, some water, and of course we have to use some glove. So let's see the condition of the roof. This is the vinyl, and we're gonna also use a magic eraser. Okay, stay tuned. So the first step is do not use please pressure, just a garden hose or some water. Low pressure, just spread the water on top of the surface, so the water is gonna lose all the dry soil and the dirt. If you have any kind of leaks, just remember that do it slowly and protect the areas that can be leaking. In this camper, the roof is in good condition, doesn't have any kind of leaks. So this is what I'm doing this. Just spread the water, let it sit. So in your bucket, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it's too dark. Okay. In your bucket with some Dawn detergent, you're gonna pour SEP, mold stain and mildew remover. Use some glove and read the label. Okay. So you need to spray, wait a minute, and then wipe and rinse. You can use in grout, tile, fiberglass, porcelain, tubes, showers, vinyl, laminated. Put your product in your bucket. At least 32 ounces or more. Use a regular sponge or a magic eraser. Using a melamine sponge or magic eraser is really good. If there is some areas that is really greasy, this product that you can buy in Dollar Tree, Total Awesome, you can pour the degreaser, let it sit, and scrub with the magic eraser. Pour your Totally Awesome in your bucket. I will use half of the 32 ounce. You use your sponge, spread the product, let it sit a little bit. Use your magic eraser and start working in areas. So it's getting really good. Sonia, I already spread the product, and Sonia is using the brush, and she is agitating the surface with the degreaser and the SEP mold remover. In the meantime, I'm spreading the product with the magic eraser and start losing all the dirt. (407 572 4118). Mío. You can scrub with a brush or something like this, something that you can scrub. Just scrub the surface. Be patient, working areas. Don't let the product dry. It's getting much better, and we didn't rinse yet, so we are scrubbing first. We are not only remove the dirt, but with the SEP mold remover, it's gonna remove any kind of mold if there was any. With the squeegee, we remove all the water, and I'm drying it with the Gladiator pad and a mop. So this is the first cleaning, so we can see the areas where it needs more attention. This is the area that needs more attention, and there is another area that has more attention.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.